Your brainstem starts where your spinal cord ends. It controls your automatic survival functions, and at the base is your medulla. If you damage it, you will not survive. Sensory input and coordination are controlled by your cerebellum.
Cerebral cortex, the ultimate process center. It is the wrinkled outer surface of your brain. The basal ganglia is responsible for motor control, such as behavior roles. That's what makes brains useful. Pawns coordinate movements on the left and right sides of the brain, including facial expressions and sleep cycle. The motor cortex controls voluntary movements of your body parts. That's what makes brains useful. That's what makes brains useful.
The frontal lobes, where you make plans. Personality, thinking, judgment, and speech. Parietal lobes help you do math. They are designated the association lobes. Temporal lobes are above the ears, where sound information is processed.
Occipital lobes are at the back of your head, the primary visual processing area. The sensory cortex processes body senses in front of parietal lobes. That's what makes brains useful. Some types of brain damage can cause aphasia if it's in Broca's area. You cannot speak. Comprehension is affected in Wernicke's area. That's what makes brains useful. That's what makes brains useful.
The sensory switchboard is the thalamus. The limbic system is a ring around it. Amygdala is linked to emotion. Hypothalamus is linked to fight and flight, eating, drinking, and body temp. Hippocampus is where memories are processed. Corpus callosum connects the two hemispheres. So now you know, that's what makes brains useful.
The pituitary gland is the master gland, cause it controls all of the other endocrine glands. The optic chiasm is where your eye nerves cross so you can see. That's what makes brains useful. The pineal gland secretes melatonin so that you are able to fall asleep. The reticular formation's a nerve network that controls arousal. That's what makes brains useful.
That's what makes brains useful. That's what makes brains useful.